Welcome everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing great. So today we have a very special person, an entrepreneur, a sports enthusiast, and a blogger, Mr. Michael Tawder. I would like to welcome you, sir, and thanks a lot for giving your valuable time with us. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, definitely. First of all, let me thank you for having me on your interview.
You're welcome.
Well, see, I am a 40-year-old young man based out of Goa. I've been living in Goa for the past 8 years. Bought and grown. I've studied in Mumbai though, and professionally working in Mumbai was a bit hectic, so I moved to Goa. And now I have a business that I run, and it's been a successful business so far.
Okay. So may I know your professional background, sir?
See, professionally, I have always been into sales. I have more than 20 years of experience in sales. However, I've just changed my, from a working person, I've moved on to a businessman. I have established a company. I have 4 employees in my company. And what I currently do is I do registration of real estate projects in Goa. Basically, I deal with construction companies, developers, builders, and that's what I do professionally now.
That's really great. So, sir, which course you have completed from Henry Harvin Education?
Well, I have completed my certification in digital content writing. That's the course that I've done through Henry Harvin.
Okay. So, how was your experience? How was the training, sir?
Well, experience, I would say I would rate it excellent because, when I registered myself for this course, I was a bit worried about how these online courses would basically go through because I never attended any online course prior to this. But then after joining and when I attended the first session of training, I really enjoyed because it did not look like I was training online, but it looked like as if it was a classroom training. My trainer, Ms. Tarita Kulkarni, I must say she's an excellent communicator, excellent trainer. She trained us very well. She was very supportive. And my facilitator, or the person who coordinated me into this course, Ms. Chandrika, also helped me a lot in giving me knowledge about how this course works and other various courses that were available through Henry Harvin. So overall, I would say it was a good time learning, training, and achieving the goals that I set just a couple of months back.
That's really great, sir. That's really great. So, sir, after having so many experience, what do you think? What is your success mantra?
Well, now since I have experience of more than 20 years in the field of sales and very different works, what I would say success is not basically about running behind success. The success is all about learning how you could find solutions to problem in your life as well as in work life. That's how you become successful. Once you learn to understand the problem and solve the problems, you will be a successful person in any field.
So what will be your advice for future aspirants?
Well, advice, honestly, the only advice that I would give to future aspirants is that they need to make sure if they have set a target for themselves in life, whether it's professional or personal, they need to focus, maintain the focus on their target, train themselves, keep themselves updated, and work on whatever they are looking to achieve. That's the only way around to success.
Okay, sir. So thanks a lot, sir. That's really great. We got to know so many things from you. Thanks a lot for giving your valuable time, sir. Once again.
You're welcome.
Have a good day, sir. Take care.
Pleasure is mine. Bye-bye.